Welcome back to the Matrix. It's your boy Ski, and welcome to another day of the daily market update on cryptocurrency. Shout out to the A train. The tracks are being laid. You can get it on or not, but we're about to roll through. All right, today it is a very
Damn hustling.
green day. We are absolutely pumping. Bitcoin is over 21,000 and ETH is over 1,200. Now for me, I'm going to be taking profit around, if this gets to like 1,400, I will be definitely taking profit. Make no mistake about it. Now, our top story. Celsius network pays off the loan. People are really worried about Celsius, myself included, just going completely under, and they still have not allowed you to withdraw. So maybe this is like, sort of a fake out, but they have paid off their loan. I think they were supposed to get liquidated around $16,000 at Bitcoin. So this is pretty big. Might be one of the reasons why the market is pumping. Now, let me tell you why the market is not pumping. Shiba Inu plans to launch the stable coin. No thanks. Solana Labs accused of violating securities by the Solana investor. So apparently one of the investors of Solana is in fact suing Solana with a lawsuit. What in the world is going on? Now, if you're not following me on Twitter, follow me on Twitter at Gajewskey. Link will be in the description. Someone transferred 81,215,000 in Bitcoin and paid $147 in fees. This is the power of cryptocurrency, and I don't even believe Bitcoin is the best technology. But that just shows you. You could not imagine doing that with your bank. Like, go ahead and try to transfer even $15,000 and see what they do. Well, sir, why do you need this money? Well, we're going to need you to fill out this form, and we're going to go ahead and send this off to the IRS and blah, blah, blah. Like, no one can stop you. And you're not, nowhere in the world are you going to pay $147. If you would have done this with XRP, it would have been even less. Now, just in, the Prime Minister has officially resigned. Robinhood added support to send and receive all listed cryptocurrency assets and platforms. I will be testing this later. This, I think, is this is major for Robinhood, in my opinion. Like, Robinhood, for all its faults, it absolutely gets it. Still, not your keys, not your crypto. Store your own crypto. But this is pretty cool because what you can do is you can easily send in money from your bank. You can buy it on Robinhood and then send it out to your hard storage wallet for very little fees. Now, yes, the market is absolutely pumping today. We are like right at resistance. Chainlink is at the devil's. Oh, it just went up. It was at 666. Now it's at 668. Now, let's take a look at the charts. We are on let's go to the 5 hour. Of course, you want to like act all wonky. Come on, bro. All right, so the 5 hour is looking real bullish. Now, it looks like we're right on this level. Now, I personally think we're going to bounce off this level of 21.5-ish. There's a lot of resistance here, but if we just poke through for some reason, there's nothing until 22.5, and that is very little there. Beyond that, we're due for a little relief rally. Now, I think it's going to be short-lived. So if we do get a relief rally, you definitely need to be taking profit. I'm going to be taking profit around 2,400. I'm going to take 10% off the table. Lock in those profits. All right? You can make money when it goes up or when it goes down. It does not matter. All right, Ethereum, same story. Looking very bullish on the 5 hour. I got mine on the 5 hour. A lot of people do 4 hour, but I like the 5 hour better because these cryptocurrencies, they move with the numbers. They move with the sixes, the nines are huge, the threes, the fives, all that is really big in the cryptocurrency. It doesn't move off fours. We are peeking through this little 200-week moving average. So that is pretty big. And the same story. If we peek through 12, I think we're going to bounce off of it and come back down. But if we peek through to 1280, there is like no resistance at all, even the slightest bit, until about 1420. Now, I'd be taking about 5 or 10% profit here. But beyond that, there is nothing until like 1800. So this could be big for Ethereum. I think it's pumping off of the merger news. Again, I'll believe it when I see it. Now, the reason I say that this could be a fake out is because the CPI numbers are going to be coming out, and we are going to officially, and look at this RSI. Like, this is overbought at this point. So you might consider taking profit, honestly. It might keep pumping, who knows what. Anyways, the CPI data is going to come out officially. I believe it's on July 13th, and we will officially be in a recession. All right? Now, everybody says that Bitcoin and, cryptocurrency is a hedge against inflation. I, however, like the charts disagree with that. They trade. Here is the euro. Not much to talk about on the euro. DXY, it looks like it's found a little bit of resistance here. It was just pumping through the moon yesterday. But yeah, cryptocurrency trades with, not with the, it's not a hedge against inflation. According to the charts, it actually trades with the NASDAQ. And let's look at the NASDAQ. And lo and behold, the NASDAQ is pumping. All right. So that's it for this time. I appreciate you guys. Peace, love, prosperity. Shout out to the A Train. If you want to get exclusive content, sign up to my Patreon below. You will get buy, sell alerts, access to my portfolio, access to free books that have changed my life forever, strategies, and so much more. My goal is to add 10x the value of your subscription. But that's it for this time. Peace, love, prosperity. I'm out.
Day I'm hustling.
It's your boy, Ski.
Hustling.